Hey Marlo Wolves, welcome to Thursday. What's your job today? You'll notice that you have 5 assignments that must be completed this day. In ELA, you're going to begin lesson 9.02. There are 13 pages in all, and we suggest that you start your rough draft based on your thinking guide, your organizer that you started yesterday. Remember that you are writing to the opinion prompt. Do you think Astra and Atlas are good detectives? You are going to complete Thursday's reading log prompt. Give us a summary of the text that you read. In math, we're on Module 7, Lesson 6. Please make sure you're watching the video first. You're going to complete questions 3 and 5. If you're still unsure, please reach out to your teacher and go on to Zearn to continue practicing that skill. In science, you're going to do lesson 6.02. There are 9 pages within the lesson, and you're going to take the quiz. Make sure you're also completing your PE activity log. All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you where to find this information. As soon as you log into your My Learning Canvas page, the first thing you're going to notice is you have some new announcements. If you're still having trouble downloading and uploading, please watch this video. It's your very first announcement on your page to learn a new way to submit your work. All right, let's go ahead into our modules. Week 4, 6.02, faster than the speed of light. For science, we're continuing learning about energy, and here we're talking about light sources. Please make sure you're going through the entire lesson. As you've noticed, there are interactive parts within each slide. All right, when you get to the what is my assignment page, we know that after we've read 6.02, faster than the speed of light, we're going to take the quiz. Please make sure you've read carefully and thoroughly. You have read through the entire lesson. There are some new vocabulary words that are going to be very important for this week's quiz. Once I've completed reading it, I'm going to go ahead and press next, and I'll be taken to my science quiz. Remember, all quizzes, you have 3 attempts. If you are not sure about an answer, refer back to the text. All right, now that I have gone through my science, I'm going to go to my lesson in math today. And remember, according to my to-do list, today I'm on lesson 6. I'm going to start by opening up my learning goal. And my learning goal today is to draw polygons with specific attributes in order to solve problems. I will need my dry erase board or a sheet of paper so that I can follow along with the teacher and the work that she is doing. It is so important that you are watching the video and learning alongside the teacher in order to be successful on your problem set. When you are completed, you may log into Zearn to continue practicing this, or if you think you're ready, we're going to go ahead into our problem set. Remember, this blue link allows you to download it to your computer, and you can open it up into a document, and you can type right onto this document, or you can open it up and do it on a sheet of paper. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and press Submit Assignment. Now, you'll notice that in the new announcement, there's a video that's going to teach you how to take a video of yourself recording your information or taking a picture of your work. You can go ahead and choose this. You can go ahead and upload it. That is up to you and how you want to submit your work. All right, so I've completed my 6.02 quiz in science, and I have completed lesson 6 in math. We're going to go ahead and begin 9.02 in ELA. Now, yesterday we read about the mystery of the spooky house. Today we're going to read part 2, Spooky House and Missing Toys. You'll notice that we have the same characters, Astra and Atlas, and we know that they love to solve mysteries. So now we're going to read a little bit more about the mysteries that they solve. What you're going to do here is you're going to practice comparing and contrasting the two texts that we've read, The Mystery of the Spooky House and The Mystery of the Missing Toys. You can use a graphic organizer that looks just like this. Your similarities are in the middle and your differences are on the sides. You may also choose your own graphic organizer that you'd like to complete. You will need this for next week's reading, so please make sure that you get started on that. Here you're going to find the story, The Mystery of the Spooky House, and The Mystery of Missing Toys. So here's your Mystery of the Spooky House. Here's your Mystery of the Missing Toys. Both of these can be downloaded onto your computer. So if you'd like to print them out, you can do so. In order to do your writing, you're going to need to refer back to both pieces of text. All right, so here you have your writing workshop. Now, yesterday we've done all of our brainstorming and planning. So now we're going to move on to the next stage of our writing process, and we're going to write our rough draft. You're going to use your organizer from yesterday to start your rough draft. You're going to need that for next week in writing, where we where we do our revisions and editing and then create our published copy. Try to read your story to yourself. If you're unsure, you think you're missing something, please make sure you're going back and adding to it. We will have a Zoom next week where you'll get a chance to read us your rough draft, and we can give you some advice on what else needs to be added. All right, here's my lesson summary. And for today's work, we're also going to make sure that we complete our quiz. This quiz can be completed today or tomorrow, Friday the 24th, but it must be completed this week. All right, I'm going to go back to my to-do list. I've now started my rough draft in lesson 9.02. You do not need to submit this, but we will want to see it next week when we are revising and editing our rough draft. I've completed lesson 6 in math, and I've completed lesson 6.02 in science. Please make sure you're filling out your Thursday log for PE, as well as your Thursday log for your reading. All right, we hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.